Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to go over another exercise on CodingBat for Python. Today we are going to go over a Warmup1, and for this exercise we're going to go over front and back. Let's see what the question is and how we can possibly solve this. So as we can see, we can see the solution here, but we kind of do not want to see the solution because we want to learn it and go walk through it and see how we can possibly solve this. So the question is given a string, and we need to return a new string where the first and the last characters chars have been exchanged. So let's say if the function front back is given with the string of code, we want our C to be the last and the E to be the first. So how we can possibly solve this? So as we can see, if our string length it's 1, we want to return the same thing back because we don't have anything else to replace it. So we can put our first statement. So if our string dot actually if our length of the string it's equal or less than 1, we want to return our string back. So we want to return the same thing back. So that's our first case. Then we can possibly create a variable, probably like a middle variable, so like middle, or we can name it anything that we will possibly want, and then have our string and then have our indexes. So possibly anything from position 1, because we don't want the position 0. So position 0, it means the index 0. So as we said in the previous exercises, the first one would be index 0, 1. This would be our index 1, index 2, and index 3. Or let's say position 0, position 1, position 2, and then position 3. So we don't want position 0 because we want the middle part. So it's going to be 1 to the to any 1 to the anything up to the length of the string minus 1. So we want it up to anything but the last one. And then we can possibly try to return that by having a return statement. And if we possibly have, we can do like a string, and then possibly have our first, which let's just create a variable which is makes it easier. So if you have a first variable, it's going to be a string, and then it's our string length, string. So our length of a string, so if it's 4 by 1, so the whole length by, so this would be our last, because we want the last index. So length of the string, but so if we do -1, it means we want to start from this side and then by 1. If we do -2, it's going to start from D. So this would be our last, this would be our middle, and then possibly for our first index or first position, we can just put first, it's going to be a string at the position 0. Okay, how we can possibly return this? We can just return our last, because we want to replace it, plus the middle, plus the first. Okay, and if we try this, we should possibly be getting the right answer. Let's try it. Okay, so there's something wrong. Okay, so there's something wrong. It's here, because that's not the way it actually works. So this should give us the correct results. There we go. Thank you for watching this video again. Please, if you like it, please, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have any other questions. And thank you for watching this exercise. Follow me for more content. Thank you.